Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, depending on which time zone you're in, and welcome to our Organizational Development Strategy session. A very big thank you to each and every one of you for staying late or for waking up early. You're in different time zones in 6 different countries. We ran an organizational strategy session for the American P&I Club, which is a company that was formed in New York in 1917. It was important because we're running through a year of major disruption, and working remotely shouldn't mean that you're working alone. The major differentiation from other programs was that this program was run entirely online using software that preserved the anonymity of each and every participant, whilst at the same time we were gathering their suggestions to form our strategy for 2021. The light bulb moment came when I fully realized that working remotely could be as efficient and as effective as working face-to-face. Just to see what questions were posed to your colleagues in order to come up with multiple solutions to challenges as to the way we work. And then we're going to go on to our mural, our brainstorming session, where Sophia will take over.
I think it's been a very, very helpful and thoroughly enlightening experience, actually.
Thanks, Michael. And yeah, well done, Michael and Sophia, on running the session. I thought it was useful.
That people don't think about with regards to the hybrid working model is how it's going to affect the culture of the company.
Proud and excited about the future and about what we're doing.
Thank you, Michael. I knew that you were the right person to do this.
I think all these things are always helpful. I think it brings out some questions and answers and solutions.
Thank you very much to each and every one of you for being present and so active. Thank you very much.
Thanks, Michael.
Thank you, Michael. Thank you, Sophia.
Appreciate it.
See you.
Sophia, bye.
More companies should follow this process because the only constant thing in life is change. And change is like a wave that is about to hit the shore. You can either let it sweep you off your feet or you can face it head on. I encourage companies to face change head on as the American P&I Club did.